Radhika Sareen. I am based out of Amsterdam and currently I am a business relationship manager for an ENR account. I started my journey with TCS 11 years back at TCS Gandhinagar. Thereafter I moved to Noida where I worked for the automotive giants there as a SAP DBM consultant. I never wanted to be part of automotive industry, but I got an opportunity. I learned along the way, and I learned one thing during the process, that with learning and by having the right attitude, you can overcome anything and you can be a part of anything which you think you cannot do. I moved to Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore. I was part of various client-facing roles. I moved to Dubai also on one assignment. And all these assignments gave me a lot of exposure. Then I moved to Hyderabad where I stayed for an year or so. There I was a product strategy lead for that particular product, and I was a key member in setting up the Center of Excellence there. Post that, I moved to UK where I was a process lead for one of the banking giants. It was at that point in time that I got a lot of accolades from customer and I was being appreciated for the contagious passion I showed there. I started as a process lead, but I got into various other roles of problem manager, change champion, MET3 lead, people's matter lead for the customer. Thereafter, I got an opportunity to lead SAP solutions for Europe in the consumer products industry, and then I moved to Amsterdam and I did that role for almost 3 years. Then lead with lead opportunity came in. I would say that lead with lead sales edition was a very intuitive, transparent and a unique process. Unique process as in they focused more on our behavioral traits, and it was a scenario based process, 3-stage process. And thereafter when I had done lead with lead, I got into this business relationship manager role, and then this Bluemint opportunity came in. Bluemint is a flagship program for early career leaders by the Tata Group, and it is in collaboration with London Business School. So my first and the foremost motivation of getting into Bluemint was that it is a leadership role, and I want to be a leader who is able to inspire others and who is able to create more leaders. Second thing, its association with the London Business School and the faculty they have brought in, it is exceptional. So I have just attended one module of that. It has inspired me to an infinite length, I would say. I would like to put in something from that first module. They talked about activating the seeking system. There was one line which I liked. They said that why do we wait to appreciate people until they die? What if we do it today? How good it would be for us to appreciate them while they are alive, to help them activate their seeking system and to be at their best self. If we do this within our teams, we would have extremely productive teams who would love to stay with us. I believe in one thing, that change is the constant in our life. And I never wanted to stick to one kind of role, sitting at one desk and doing one thing for the rest years of my life. I wanted to explore, and I wanted to explore the unleashed opportunities or hidden potential of myself. But one thing is there, that when we are traversing on this path, each one of us has our own unique journey, and we have to have that will and passion to live that journey. I believe to be a successful leader, there are 3 ingredients. First is influence. Influencing to impact others. To impact others to be closer to their best self. Second is lead by example. Lead a disciplined lifestyle. Lead by example. People look at you. Third is legacy. Create more leaders. Because once you leave, there should be others to take that journey forward. Leadership starts at inspiring the uninspired and ends at making the uninspired an inspiration. And I live by that. I believe TCS is a wonderful organization for women employees to work for, or for anybody to work for. The best thing I like about TCS is it gives us psychological safety. We do not have a fear of being judged. And when we do not have a fear of being judged, our creativity blooms and we perform at our level best.